Sit in any comfortable pose, preferably Padmasana. Keep your back straight, chin parallel. Place your both hands into Dhyana Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Become aware of the outer sounds. Birds, insects, or any distinct sound. Become aware of the body. Observe your body from tip of the toes to top of the head. Become aware of the breath. Observe your normal breathing. Now deep inhalation, long exhalation. Inhale the positivity, exhale out all the negativity. With every exhalation, body is becoming lighter and lighter. Bring the complete awareness on your thoughts and let it pass. Bring the awareness back to the surroundings. Awareness back to the body. Join your palms in the heart center. Bow down to the Mother Earth. Without rubbing the palms, making cup of the palms, placing on the eyes. With few blinks, open your eyes with a smile on your face. Thank you.
We are all surrounded by stress in all moments of our life. So here are a very few simple tools that you can do to manage that. First, breath work. So have you ever noticed whenever you are stressed, your breath tends to increase? So what you can do to calm down is very simple. Just take deep breaths. Just inhale and exhale. Second, connect with nature. Go for a walk, go cycling, just do anything that feels good in the nature. Third, eat healthy. So when you eat good, you feel good. Fourth, take a break. Because after all that hard work that you've put in, you need a well-deserved break. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.